Hello everyone and welcome back to Wes Wednesday. Okay. So, let's see if I get a Mac task maybe this time. There's only 4 days left in winter. Yeah. I'm gonna have to stick around and see if he will respawn or not. What I mean is if I'll get him twice or just once. So we'll have to wait and see. I know Deer Clubs is somewhere up here. Don't remember where. But I think for now I'm gonna stick to opening some tumbleweeds and just wait until he's back. I will say that I never thought it would be this hard to juggle between 2 playthroughs of Don't Starve, but it's actually quite challenging because each time you are done recording one video, your mind is set on that one and you're just thinking about what else you need to do. And when you get to the next playthrough, you're just thinking, what was I gonna do? And so you have to drop yourself little items to remind yourself. Whether it is like I did with leaving my character at Mac Task, or just simple things like a shovel or stuff like that. I just noticed my thermal stone is at 13%, so it's gonna break soon. Thankfully, Deer Clubs did break a few boulders up close near Mactusk, in that area between the cactus and the pingles, I think. So, at least there are also other boulders around me, so I'm not completely in trouble or anything. And the beefalo hat does keep you very warm for very long, so that also helps. Unfortunately, looking at the way things are going, and looking at how many days are left, I only have one chance to get a walking game from Mactusk this winter. Then I have to wait all year again to maybe not even get a tusk next winter. I really hope that I get it this time. Otherwise it's gonna be really hard for me to do some of the bosses. Because speed is always key. And like the previous time, I might be waiting for Mactusk, but I am still working on some of the things I want to do later on, and that is getting wood for the boats. Fun fact for everyone, if you put on marble armor, you lose like 0.1 health maybe or something. It's barely anything. I picked 3 cactus and I only lost 1 health basically. Alright, let's go see if Mactusk is alive or not. Really? More time? Yeesh, they take a lot of time to respawn. Okay. I have to come back sometime and dig these graves. See what I can get. Mactusk should be alive now. You've got to be kidding me. And I just got a bee and a rabbit out of that. And I was not expecting the bee to actually fight me. You're not even a killer bee, you're a regular bee. Okay, he de-aggroed off of me. A blueprint! Nice. I was on my way... Cutter cap. Cookie cutter cap. I was on my way to Mac Tusk. I have no idea what the cookie cutter cap thing is. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to look that up. Okay, I'm thinking of trying to tank him. Probably gonna be my best option, so... Ooh, I'm freezing. This is not good. Okay. I'm gonna make a fire here. And then I'm gonna drop this. And then... come over here. Please stay... No, I wanted you to stay stun locked. You can do what I just did by taking armor. Really? Okay. He's officially broken. Wow. Okay. What I was gonna say is you can do what I just did by taking my armor off and then putting it back on in time. You just have to make sure you time everything perfectly, otherwise you are gonna get hit. Still no tusk. Huh. That's sad, interesting and everything. One great big combination. And I finally found where Deerclops went. I had no idea where he was. Now I know. And he's kinda, in a way, sending the hounds after me. Because of all of his havoc. Oh boy. Yeah, this is gonna be not fun. I'm not looking forward to having to go for my second season without a walking cane. Although, I'm thinking, I have had it where I got the sunken treasure from Pearl's bottles, messages in a bottle, and one of them did contain a walking cane. So if I'm lucky, I can get a walking cane a different way than MacTusk still. So I'm gonna focus on getting a boat ready to set sail. That way I can hopefully end my misery. If you want to stop in the middle of a swamp and you want to open your map, don't just stop and immediately open it. Wait 2 seconds and then you can open it. Otherwise, a tentacle will sneak up on you. Well, I guess the only good part about going to try and fight MacTusk again is the fact that I have a blue gem and 16 hound teeth, so I can upgrade the hound area quite a bit and worry less when hound waves come. I was gonna say, why is Wes signing? But I see he's hungry. So, and I don't hear any threats. Ooh, I gotta sort out the fridge. I need food. And apparently I am full on rock as well. Okay, gonna be standing here making 100 hound traps until it's morning. And then I can go place the traps. First get rid of these. Found the cookie cutter cap. It's in weapons or fighting tab. Huh. I'm guessing that if a mob hits you, they get hurt. And we have no berries. And our bird is dead. This is all bad. How do we have 0 berries? Aw. Sorry, bird. I didn't want the bird to die, but yeah, I was away for a long, long time. I feel bad. Alright, change of plans. I'm gonna go to the hound area right now and start working on that. Might chop a few more trees. I think I have everything I need to get to sailing. I'll just check over everything again when I'm done with hound traps. And yeah, then I might do some sailing today. After I get a harvest of berries in though. Otherwise, not gonna have a lot of food. Let's see what gift I got. If I don't run into the dang trees. Oh, got ourselves a new bird. Nice, and that was the last use on our trap. Let's see what I get. Pants. Nice. Oh yeah, my umbrella wore out, and stupid me didn't bring any shards. Gonna have to make a trip back to the desert to get some bone shards so I don't go completely insane during this spring. Gonna harvest these first though. I was gonna say things are not looking good for me food-wise, but silly me forgot I have bees. And I can also fight the battlist. Nice, got 1 wing and 1 monster meat from that. Dang it, I thought I was gonna be good enough to dodge that one. Or quick enough, not good enough, quick enough. Gonna have to be careful though, I can't hear anything right now, so if deer clubs or bear or anything shows up, I'm done. This would have been so much easier with a walking cane. Okay, I think it's time to organize my backpack a little bit so that I can drop it and run a little bit quicker. Go away, bees. Almost ran past the hives. Do not light the hives on fire. Okay, I'm gonna stop with that for now, so that I can make some actual food. Okay, I'm waiting for food. Ooh, I actually made a ham, honeyed ham with that. Nice. Oh, the nightmares are gonna be a little bit annoying. Okay. I have some weapons with me. I am going to go into the caves first. I was about to say I'm gonna go. Did I hear? Okay, that was only lightning. I thought for a second that I heard badger or deer pops. I'm hoping that it was only lightning. Otherwise, yeah, base is not far from where I am now. Okay, gonna grab these light bulbs quickly, so I don't have to struggle with insanity and no light as well. Only gonna grab these few close to the entrance though, cause I don't really want to stay here too long. Because I have plans and I can't really... Oh, I have bone shards in the caves. Hold up, let me get back in. Never mind. Scratch that idea as well. Clops is coming. Dear Clops. Oh no. Oh no. Please tell me I am quick enough and that he won't spawn in base or anywhere. Okay, I still hear him growling, so... or breathing. So I might have been in time. I'm really hoping that I was in time. Okay, yeah, I still hear him. Ooh, that's close, that's close. Gotta zoom in a little bit, otherwise I'm gonna die. And now you're after me. Stop yawning and come already. Okay, there he is. And now he can take care of some more tentacle spikes for me. Or tentacles, not tentacle spikes. Okay, I'm gonna leave you up here. Okay, time to get back into the caves because I forgot I have bone shards in the caves. Right. Here are some of the fragments, or shards. Just gotta get this guy off of me. So, I have 1, I need 4. And this guy's not gonna help me at all. Everything is going south. Go away, go away, go away. Please, just go away. Where the heck am I going? No, leave me. No. Go away. I don't need you in my life. I'm just running blindly. Okay, now at least I can make a fire. Let's see how well this is gonna go for me. Really? I forgot about that nest. Oh, come on. Give me a break, will you? No. Leave. You're not giving me a break, are you? Dang it. I wanted to stay close to the fire so I can heat up, but now I can't. One Diagro. Come on. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is not good. Okay. Do not try to squeeze through that. Any gaps at all. This is bad. Oh, come on. Where am I going? Okay, I'm going over here. Leave me, you stupid stinking spider. Okay, I can finally concentrate on doing this. Doing this. Okay, now I'm a little bit safer at least, and those delicious meals came in handy, and there's an earthquake. Okay. Will you spiders ever leave me alone? Leave! I don't think they're gonna leave me. Oh, really? Alright, found a skeleton down here as well. So I can hammer him. And I got 2 out of that. And I still need 1 more. Then I'll be safe from the sanity drain of the rain. Ooh, some gold dropped from the earthquake. Now it's nightmare fissures. It's always something in this game. Oh, kidding me? Okay. I forgot I don't have my beefalo hat on, that's why. Okay. There, I have it. Leave me alone now. Finally, that part is done. Now I just need to get out without dying. I think I'm gonna wear the ammo shanter for a tiny bit, because my sanity is not looking good, and I think I'm also going to go up this way to get some more light bulbs. Are you kidding me? Nightmare fissures. Yeah, the light of the lantern is getting really, really weak. Notice how these green mushrooms changed since it is spring. You have the green mushroom, the blue mushroom, and the red mushroom. Spring, the green mushrooms will throw off spores, these little glowing things. And in the winter, the blue mushrooms will, and in the summer or autumn, the red mushroom will throw off his spores. Ooh, I'm almost back at the caves, and there's a spitter and a nightmare. Yeah, spit me all you want, I've got a helmet on. I just want to get to the cave cleft. The cave entrance. Leave me alone. Okay, I think it's safe to go back now. Okay, made it out of the caves alive. Now it is just time for me to prepare everything that I want to. And now I can actually protect myself from the rain and not have to worry about being completely insane all the time. The berry bushes are ready for harvesting. Yeah, where do I want to set sail to? Looking at the map, that looks like a pretty solid edge. And usually you can find the lunar island with solid edges on the map stuff, on the land. Sound wave. Blue hound, blue hound. Another 2 blue hounds. 3 blue hounds. Oh no, this is bad, this is bad. Where's my hat, where's my hat? Helmet. Ooh. That was close. How many close encounters have I had? during this whole entire time today. I've had so many. Well, thankfully none of them were close enough to actually kill me. And one of them dropped a blue gem. Nice. And the game is wacko again. Alright, you can probably see by the light around me that I had to disconnect and reconnect into the game because my game likes to repeat the audio at some points, and if it does that, it glitches my recording. I'm gonna pick these berry bushes even if it's not daytime. I need it. I have to get out on the water, otherwise I'm never gonna do it. Thankfully, the good part is they won't eat your berries if they spawn on dusk. They will only run back into the bushes. No, frog rain. Moose goose. Alright, now we can get some moose goose action in this game. Okay, so a lot of them are fighting this moose goose. I'm just running around harvesting resources. Let's see, she's on 3,000 health. She is dropping really quickly. Oh wow. Don't chase him into base, please, no. If a tornado goes off in base, that's gonna be bad. And there goes Mama. So there goes all the frogs as well. Man, I have to drop some of the stuff in my inventory. Hold up. Hopefully I can get my light before I die. Okay, they're still fighting the mosslings. Almost said mooselings. Not what it's called. Wow. This is a lot of meat. As soon as it becomes daytime, I'm gonna get these frogs over here to fight that moose goose. There's... Oh, that's creepy. Oh, nope, nope, nope. The frogs from Frog Rain will actually despawn if they are off screen during nighttime. So get one's attention and you get a whole bunch. Okay, they should be able to aggro onto moose goose and their mosslings on their own. Get these guys over there. Get these guys. Some of these looks like they despawned. Okay, got them all on me. Well, I think I don't have to worry about a food situation anymore. While she's over there fighting, I'm gonna get all of this meat. No, don't aggro onto me, aggro onto the frog. Okay, I'm gonna lure her away. So she is attached to a pond. So I think she would be separate from the set piece then, because the ones from the set piece can move freely. Wow, that got me a stack and 12 frog legs. I really need to get an icebox now. I need it more than ever. Oh, darn it. I accidentally broke one of the fence pieces. That's okay. I was trying out a theory of getting a hit on one of the gobblers that ran past me. Well, I can confirm that it didn't work for me. Look how full the icebox is. I'm gonna have to dry a lot of the meat. Frog legs mostly because they spoil really quickly. I want to get a healthy amount of meatballs to go sailing as well. So I'm working on that. I'm gonna make some taffy just to regain a little bit of my sanity, just for the fun of it. I think 6 meatballs should be enough. I'm gonna drop the beefalo hat here. Take the sewing kit with me, it only has one use anyway. What else? I'm gonna make a sewing kit. 6 blue gems. I need 3 more, then I can turn this chester into an ice chester. So close. Alrighty, I think I have everything that I could possibly need. Sails. I don't have sails. Imagine if I would have gone sailing and I don't have sails. It's the most important thing. Sail number 1. Need to get 4 more silk if I want to make another sail. This will be quick, thankfully, because all of the spiders have been killed. Did deer crops die? Huh. Oh no, he's way up there. I thought he would aggro down here. I really need him down here, though. Gonna have to lure the big guy. Aggro onto me, please. Thank you, you didn't even do your animation. I want him to clear this section of the trap a little bit more for me. Ooh, that was close. Yes. Okay. Alrighty. Now I need to be careful of that. What just happened? Oh, the mosquito bit one of them on the web. Yes. Ooh, no. Yes, and then it's a no. Ooh, he hit me accidentally. Really? How did he get me there? Okay, I'm safe here. That was another close one for today's playthrough. Why are you coming after me? Die. Is he going after the nest? Yeah, he's going after the nest. Great. And I mean that in a good way, because now he's doing all the work for me. That's a one-tap tentacle. How much do I want to fight you? Is the most important question. I might just kill him. I want him closer this way, though. Darn, another full moon that I'm gonna miss for the pig farms. Still, he hits me. How? How does he do that? I'm risking it. There. I still don't understand how he hit me there. It's like his range is a little bit too long compared to what you would think it is. Really? Stop. One down. I'm gonna make a bunch of healers before I go anywhere. At this rate, I'm gonna die as soon as I set sail. I really hope that's not the case. Gonna have to do some papyrus gathering if I want to make any healers. Because I'm gonna go with honey poultice. And I'm probably also gonna use some of the spider glands. We'll see how it goes. Why is my health showing? If you want to make healing cells from the spider glands, then I would suggest you take something that you're not going to use. Sometimes you can use like a pile of resources, or in my case I'm going to use a pile of rot, burn it, and then you can have your ash to make your healing cells. Okay, enough stalling. It's time to get sailing. I'm only gonna be able to do a little bit of sailing now because I don't really have time left. Here we go. Launch the boat. Now it's time for the anchor. Steering wheel, I'm probably gonna make there. Sail number 1 and sail number 2. Upgrade and stop Wavy Jones from doing his nonsense. And then also place a fire pit there. Go away, Wavy. When I first tried sailing, I didn't know what to do. I tried using the keyboard, but it took too long to respond and I didn't really see a difference. So what I do now is I just click where I want to go. And then release the sails. In fact, do it one at a time until you know what you're dealing with in the ocean. At night, you can use your map to navigate. It might be easier for you that way, because then you can see the oncoming boulders and dangerous stuff. Driftwood is also a good item to have. You can make a different type of ore with that, and you can use it to repair the boat if you are ever in an emergency. So what I am looking for now is simply the driftwood, salt stacks. Actually, got the anchor. I didn't notice how close I was to the edge. Steer where you want to go and then raise the anchor and then steer again. So I'm gonna look for salt formations and also for the pearl bottles, the messages in a bottle. And I'm also looking for the lunar island. These driftwood pieces, I never knew what they did until recently. Get close to them, and then I'll show you what to do. You take a hammer, and then you can hammer it, and then you get a board. Don't hammer the post. There, see? And remember to unequip the hammer so you don't accidentally hammer something on your boat and you go down sinking. Also, don't be so stupid like I am. Get repair kits. I didn't get boat repair kits, so I might get in a sticky situation. That is gonna cause me some trouble. I'm going to lower the second sail now, because I feel a tiny bit confident. Sometimes your confidence will get you killed. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Darn it. You've gotta be kidding me. No, ah. See? Do not be stupid like me. It gets you into real trouble. Alright, what's the closest? I'm gonna have to go way far if I want any form of repair kit. And I just lost every single log that I have, except for the driftwood. The only reason why I am lowering the other sail is so that I can get to my base quicker. And where's my lantern? Okay. Now comes the terrifying part. Doing this in the dark. Okay, that's kelp. Do not forget to stop and repair your boat every now and then. Thankfully, this is only a small leak and nothing big. Otherwise, you would have had to do a lot more repairing and maintaining. Twigs will heal the boat by a lot. They heal the boat for 12 each twig. Almost back to base, everyone. Alright, time to run and get something to heal my boat. Got the repair kit, now let's run. I made it back to boat. The repair leak, please repair. Oh, that was so close. Thankfully I can fully repair it with the twigs. Okay, unfortunately that is gonna have to do it for this episode. I think it was a little bit longer than I planned it, and it was full of crazy exciting moments, so I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to like, subscribe and share and hit the bell so you can be notified each and every time I post a new video. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!